Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off automatic app updates on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to turn off automatic app updates on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down Settings and tap App Store. Tap the toggle to the right of App Updates to turn it off. When the toggle is green, Auto App Updates are turned on, and when the toggle is grey, they are switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.